guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is my Floerns video, and I am here to share with you 5 brand new pieces from Floerns for the month of August. There's a lot of really fun pieces in here. Floerns usually has a really wide variety of styles, and to be completely honest, I've already shared one of these over on my Instagram. It was just too cute not to wear. So yeah, I'm so excited about these pieces. I hope that you are too. If you are interested, be sure to continue watching this video. And if you like fashion and finding new pieces, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I do several of these videos. And without further rambling, let's get into it. So first up, I'm gonna go ahead and share what I wore the other night to dinner. I shared it across my social media platforms. If you're not following me, Instagram, TikTok are all, I think, the same handle. So be sure to follow me over there. But it's this 2-piece Co-ord set. This is the top. So super cute. We have this little bow and lace detail. It has adjustable straps. And the material is so stretchy. And the second part is this really long, like maxi, not quite maxi, but like midi length skirt. We have elastic in the waistband. And again, the material is so super stretchy. I paired this with white sandals and like a little tan handbag. So cute for a nice evening out. Next up is a tank top, button down crop top. So cute. We have got these pinstripes. This is perfect for summer. This is a size large and there's not much stretch. So if you are large chested, then you may want to keep that in mind. But this is really cute. I paired it a couple of different ways. You can definitely wear this in the summer / springtime. I paired it with a pair of white trousers and white like dress shoes. And it was really cute, okay? I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say that it was super classy kind of thing, but I also paired it with a pair of wide leg jeans and white tennis shoes. Definitely more of a casual look, but then I also added a sweater on top of it, popped out the collar, made it a very preppy look, and I really liked all of the looks. I like that it's so versatile that you can wear it on its own or underneath. Anyways, I think this comes in a couple of other colors, so be sure to check it out. Moving on from there is another dress. This one is so fun for summer. Like, look at the colors. This orange and pink and yellow. The camera is not picking up how vibrant these colors are. It is a standard tank top dress. It's definitely on the fitted side, but the material is very stretchy. Again, this is a size large. It fits me perfectly. Just having fun. I paired it with some pink high heels and my little pink like mini micro bag, and it was such a fun outfit to style. I don't know if I'd feel comfortable wearing that in public, but I think you could probably throw on a pair of regular like flat sandals. You can go nude, you can go white, or you could even match the colors to the dress. That would be really fun. And like the others, I'm pretty sure this comes in multiple colors. These next 2 pieces just came in the mail, so I haven't had a chance to try them on or anything just yet. But we do have this halter top animal print shirt. So cute. It's really fun. It has zebra and leopard print. Again, it is a halter top. This is going to be so fun to style. You could probably get away with wearing this with jeans or black or white slacks or shorts. And last but not least is another dress. This leopard print bodycon style dress is really cute. It has this cutout right above the chest, so it does show a little bit of cleavage. It looks like it's a crew neck. We have long sleeves, very stretchy material, and it's pretty much a midi length. The stretch in here is fantastic. So like I said, I haven't tried these on yet, but this looks like with how much stretch is in it, it's gonna fit perfect. So if you're interested in any of these pieces and you wanna see what they look like on / styled, then keep watching because I'm about to show the clip now.